We've all been taught that a roasting pan's primary job is to roast. At Wade Media Labs, we decided to challenge that assumption with technical data. To get a crispy, golden skin, you need 360-degree, high-velocity airflow. Yet, most roasting pans have high sidewalls. We wanted to find out if that design is actually roasting or just steaming. We subjected 10 top-selling roasting pans to a standardized airflow audit. We used precision digital anemometers to measure the air velocity and turbulence inside each pan, both on a stovetop and inside a convection oven. The variance was staggering. 7 out of the 10 pans created a significant convection shadow. By hour 1, the airflow velocity inside these pans dropped by over 60%, creating a stagnant pool of high humidity vapor. The result of low airflow isn't roasting. It's steaming. These pans trap moisture, preventing the Maillard reaction and leaving your chicken with pale, flabby skin. Only 3 pans passed our airflow audit. These winners utilized optimized wall height and specialized rack designs to ensure consistent, turbulent air circulation. These are the only ones we found that truly roast. When it comes to roasting, the geometry of your pan dictates the crispiness of your dinner. Performance is about precision, not just capacity. See the full velocity charts, the humidity logs, and our 3 airflow winners at cookwarescout.com. Look for the roasting pan airflow audit.